When your car gear is stuck in neutral, the transmission cannot engage any gear, preventing the vehicle from moving forward or backward. Understanding the root causes helps determine the right solution. A car stuck in neutral means the transmission system cannot engage any forward or reverse gear, leaving the vehicle immobilized even though the engine runs normally. Mechanical failures are traditional causes of neutral lock situations. These involve physical components that wear out or break over time. Shift linkage problems account for 40% of neutral lock cases. This includes worn bushings, bent connecting rods, or completely disconnected shift cables that prevent gear engagement. Internal transmission damage represents 25% of cases. This includes worn synchronizers that help gears mesh smoothly, damaged shift forks that move gears into position, and clutch system failures. Modern vehicles increasingly experience electronic failures rather than purely mechanical ones. Industry experts report that 60% of transmission problems now involve sensors or control modules. Electronic failures include transmission control module malfunctions, shift solenoid failures that control hydraulic pressure, speed and position sensor problems, and damaged wiring harnesses that disrupt communication. Before seeking professional help, several basic checks can identify simple causes or provide valuable diagnostic information. Start by checking transmission fluid level and condition, as low or contaminated fluid can prevent proper operation. Verify clutch pedal function in manual transmissions, test shift lever movement for unusual resistance, and scan for diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD scanner. These initial checks help determine whether the issue requires immediate professional attention or if simple maintenance might resolve the problem. Understanding these causes and troubleshooting steps empowers you to make informed decisions about repairs. When your car is stuck in neutral, safety is the top priority. Begin by engaging your parking brake and turning on hazard lights to protect yourself and other drivers. For manual transmissions, the first diagnostic step is testing the clutch hydraulic system pressure. This system uses fluid to transfer force from the clutch pedal to disengage the clutch mechanism. For automatic transmissions, testing focuses on line pressure and solenoid function. These electronic components control gear shifting and require specialized diagnostic equipment. Visual inspection of the shift linkage and transmission mounts is crucial. Look for worn bushings, bent rods, disconnected cables, or damaged mounting points that could prevent proper gear engagement. If basic checks fail to resolve the issue, contact a qualified technician immediately. Modern transmissions require specialized diagnostic equipment and expertise, especially for electronic components. Regular maintenance significantly reduces the risk of getting stuck in neutral. This includes fluid changes, annual linkage inspections for older vehicles, and keeping software updated on modern cars. Keep in mind that repair costs have increased due to electronic component complexity. DIY success rates have decreased for newer models, making professional diagnosis more important than ever.